welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how can you promote Clickbank products as a beginner. So guys, before starting this video, subscribe my YouTube channel Raju Bhadra and hit the notification bell for my upcoming videos and new updates. It's an educational YouTube channel based on affiliate marketing. So if you want to make money by affiliate marketing, then subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell. And if you want to make big money like 10,000 per month, then check my number on recommendation. I am Raju Bhadra, affiliate marketer of legendary marketer Clickbank and many other marketplaces, and I am making $1,000 per month by affiliate marketing. And I am working here for last 8 years, and I am making this big commission per month. At the end of this video, I will show you how can I make money from a legendary marketer like this big commission. Now, in 3 steps, I will show you how to promote Clickbank products as a beginner. But at first, I want to say this method is not a free method. A lot of newbie asked me, I have money, but I can't make money. I have money to invest, then how can I make money? And this video is for those newbies who have money for investing. You have to invest money for getting traffic. You have traffic, then you can make money. Now in this video I will show you 3 steps and how can you promote Clickbank products and make money from Clickbank. So guys, if you first inside my YouTube channel, then subscribe my YouTube channel and don't miss any of the videos inside my YouTube channel. A lot of info inside my YouTube channel. You see here, and I am uploading videos in daily basis. You see here. Now, step number 1: create a Clickbank account. So go this clickbank.com and create account or sign up account. You see here, it's 100% free. Your country, your first name, your last name, your phone number, your email address, your password, and I have read and agree all the terms and conditions. Then join Clickbank. And you have to fill up all the requirements. It's mandatory. So guys, it's simple. There is no difficulties with this creating or sign up section. So number 1, create a Clickbank account. And if you have already Clickbank account, then it's fine. Now step number 2, find best products for selling. So go this Clickbank marketplace and you see here a lot of categories inside this marketplace: art and entertainment, as seen on TV, betting systems, business or investing, computer on internet, cooking, food and wine, e-business and e-marketing, education, employment and jobs, fiction, games, green products, health and fitness, home and gardening. A lot of categories inside here, and now you have to choose your niche. If you can promote business or investing, you can promote cooking and food, e-business, e-marketing, health and fitness, home and gardening, etc. So you have to first choose your niche. Now you see here e-business and e-marketing. So go here. This section is related with the make money method, training program, software. Now I will show you how to promote this make money related method, software and training program by this method. You see here a lot of products inside here. Now you have to choose any of this product from here, and I recommend you to choose a low price product. As a beginner, I don't suggest you to invest more money for your traffic, and if you invest low money, then I suggest you to choose a low price product. So, and you will see all the information about this product inside here: initial sales, average reveal total, average reveal, gravity score. So you have to focus all this information. Now you see here 12-minute system, and when you click to promote and get your affiliate link, you see you get your affiliate link here, and after getting your affiliate link, go this tiny URL and you can shorten your URL. Just paste your URL here and make tiny URL. That's it. So step number 2, find best product for selling. Now the vital step is getting traffic. So step number 3, for getting traffic, I show you this udemy.com. You can buy solo ads here, and you can promote your targeted product with the targeted people, and you can make money. So if you don't lackings of investing money, then you can buy solo ads from this udemy.com. You see here a lot of solo ad buyers inside here, but you can buy from anyone. You have to find out the right person. Suppose you are promoting a make money related product, so you have to find out this buyer who are buying make money related solo ads. So you have to find those type of people. You see here 90% top tier target traffic granted, fresh responsive list, 10% over delivered on every order, buyer list included, 500 plus new daily subscribers. You see 90% top tier targeted generated high opt-in or sales, 10 or 15% over delivered, 15 US subscribers. Top 100, top 1% highest, I got sell rate, verified seller, started as a buyer, then started selling, knows what you need. So you can choose any of this because all of are targeted traffic granted solo ad seller. So if you click here, then you will get all the details about this seller, and you see here price per visitor. So you have to pay 40 cent per click, and average time it takes for the seller to accept an order. You can send friend request, and if you want to communicate with this seller, then you can message here, and I recommended you to message here and communicate with him, and it will be the best. So you can explain everything about your product to your buyer, and he will help you to promote your products, because he knows about his subscriber or about his list. So if you can communicate with him, then he will get the best info about your promotion. And after contracting with the seller, then you can choose, suppose you choose this 100 visitor, then you have to pay $43. Then you can raise your visitor and your costing amount will rise. Then you can choose all the filter, and when you communicate with this buyer, then you will get all this suggestion, that is mobile opt-in or other filter. If you don't need any filter, then he will suggest you. So after communicate with your buyer, then you can see here add test. Then you can set your subject and your message body. Now you can say, how can I get my message body, my subject? Then go here and visit your product, and you will see everything here, every info about this product you will get here, and you can choose the attracting, the creative part of this uh, portion from here, and you can add your message here, then add to cart and get your targeted traffic for selling your Clickbank products. That's it. But in case of solo ads, you have to solo ad seller. In case of choosing your solo ad seller, you have to focus on this review and this rating. You see here, this seller get 176 rating, 1500, 2300, 2300, and I obviously recommended this type of seller who's have a lot of review, lot of rating. A lot of positive rating means he's a good seller. Now, in case of solo ad marketing, I suggest you to build a landing page. And if you build a landing page, then you can collect all these sellers mail to your own. So you have to build a landing page, and you can submit your landing page here. When you choose anywhere, then it takes your landing page here. Then this buyer or this visitor when see this offer, then you have to these buyers need to first complete your landing page file, and uh, they have to put a mail to your landing page, and you can get all this mail to your buyer's mail, and after that your offer will be open to your traffic or to your visitor, and you can get sales. But by the end you can get sell or not, you can get a list, a targeted list from this buyer. So I recommend you to build a landing page. And how to build a landing page? You can get a lot of search result in YouTube, and you can see here, and obviously build a landing page in case of solo ad marketing. So guys, that's it. If this video help you to make money from Clickbank, then like this video, and if you have any question, then comment in the comment box. And if you first inside my YouTube channel, then subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell for my upcoming videos and all of my new updates inside my YouTube channel. And if you want to make big money like 10,000 per month, then check my number on recommendation. You see here, it's Legendary Marketer, an educational training program for online marketing. I am a member of Legendary Marketer and the affiliate of Legendary Marketer. Legendary Marketer learned me a lot how to make money by affiliate marketing, how to get traffic, how various marketing strategies, everything inside here. So if you are a newbie or an expert, it doesn't matter. If you want to run your online business successfully for lifetime, then Legendary Marketer is the best training program for every online marketer. When you join this Legendary Marketer, you will get all these 15 days challenge, and a coach or an advisor will be appointed for you to solve every problem, and he will help you time to time, step by step, everything. And you can make this type of big commission per month, and Legendary Marketer will help you to get this big commission. So as if you are a beginner and if you have just invest money for promoting any products, then this method will help you to make money from Clickbank, and it's so not so much difficulties. Just follow all these 3 steps and make money from Clickbank. So guys, best of luck, take action, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell for my upcoming videos. Thank you, best of luck.